What up, everybody? Welcome back to Easy Kitchen. I'm your cook, Tony, bring you easy dishes to cook in the kitchen. Today we're gonna have a good movie to watch. Good movie, we gotta have a good snack to eat with. Normally, you pop popcorn with an air popper or microwave popcorn, but today we're gonna cook this stuff on the skillet. New to my channel, of course, ring that notification bell, hit that red subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's go. Popping popcorn on the skillet. Need oil and popcorn. That's all you need. I'm gonna have my expert son direct me on how to make this popcorn. Tell me when to stop. I'd say that's about a quarter cup of oil. Sprinkle some salt in there. Myself, I like to sprinkle a little sugar in mine, give it a little salt and sweet taste at the same time. Want to make sure your oil is hot. Turn it on like medium high. I got this Pop Secret. I like the container it comes in instead of the bag. It holds it better. Depending on how much popcorn you're gonna eat, that's how much you're gonna put in the skillet. Okay. I'm gonna shake that up a little bit. Don't forget your top. You don't want popcorn flying all over the place. Let's cook this up. While your popcorn's popping, I'm making a whole lot of popcorn for the family. Because this is family night. We'll throw some butter on here. I got an old skillet. So what you want to do is melt your butter to get a whole lot of the moisture out. See, it's popping already. Look at that. Melt this down real fast. And shake this so the bottom doesn't burn. It doesn't take long. Hot butter popcorn. You want to let this butter simmer to get all the water out and all the moisture. That way when you pour it on the popcorn, it doesn't melt the kernels. Spread this out a little bit. Turn the eye off. Slide that back a little bit. Still got the butter simmering. I don't need that one. I need this one though. Alright. While your butter's simmering, want to add your salt. I add a little sugar on mine. Some of you guys might have popcorn seasoning or cheese flavor seasoning or caramel flavor seasoning. A lot of people put pepper on theirs, not me. Turn that off. You kids, if you're watching this, don't do this by yourself. Give it a little shake. Add a little more salt. A little more of this. I had a cousin who used to put hot sauce on her popcorn. Shake it. There we go. Perfect. Not dry like air pop. Or got that aftertaste like microwave popcorn. Oh, it's time for the movie now. Y'all still here? Y'all got the directions how to make the popcorn. Like I said before, hit that red subscribe button, that notification bell, and that like button also. And leave your comments too. I like comments. I'll see y'all next time.